Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete your Hostinger installation. So before that, you can get 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. So first, open your Hostinger and sign in your account. And here, you just need to click on the chat icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you click on this one, you will go on the next page. You can see. Now all you do is scroll down right here and we're gonna click on this account management. And from here, as you can see, a personal assistant will want to chat with you. So basically you can ask something right here. For example, when to type delete my account, click on send. And here just need to wait for the answer. So you can see Hostinger accounts can be deleted only if the following criteria are met. So first, the account is empty, meaning there are no active services. So you just need to delete all the active hosting plans or domain names. And then the next one, you don't have any unused Hostinger balance. So once you've done this one, you just need to continue here. Just type yes if you want to delete your Hostinger account. And then right from here, just need to wait again for a few seconds. So to permanently delete your account, please go right here. So click on this link, delete account, and then you'll be directly go to your personal information. So you just need to wait here for a few seconds and basically scroll down till the bottom until you find this option where you can delete account. Keep in mind that upon deleting your account, all of your account information will be deleted without the possibility of restoration. So if you are sure of this, you can now click on this delete account, and then you will receive an email to confirm that you want to delete permanently your Hostinger account. So that's all. That's how you basically delete your Hostinger installation. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.